Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today we have a look inspired by 𝑆𝑂𝐶𝐼𝐴𝐿, which I will put on the screen right now. I will link her look down below in the description box, so go check that out if you want to see what hers looks like. But it's just this double cut crease with a little pop of blue, which I absolutely loved. I just wanted to do a simple look but a pop of colour, so that's what I done. So everything I use in this video today will be listed and linked down below, so you can go check those products out. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel before we begin, and make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and go head over to my Instagram as well just to see the looks that I recreate, the photos of them, and also behind the scenes sort of things on my stories. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to this look. My hair is a mess. I'm a mess, but we're moving on. So this look I'm doing today is inspired by 𝑆𝑂𝐶𝐼𝐴𝐿 on Instagram. She is absolutely stunning. Wish I had her face. I probably spoke about that in the intro because that's what I normally do, but I wanted to do something simple-ish with a pop of colour, so I thought I'd go with this one. And I was a bit and ahhing on filming this video because I've just been feeling a little bit unmotivated lately. I've taken a few days off. As you can tell, I haven't got any tan on just because I haven't felt like putting it on, to be honest. So that's what's going down at the moment. I had a really down day the other day, which was probably a couple of weeks ago for you because I did put it on my story on Instagram, but I'm trying to stay positive. Anyway, I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with the 𝑃RODUCTS base in 01. How is everyone? I feel like I haven't done much in the past couple of days because, like I said, I just haven't been feeling it. But today, hopefully, is a new day. It's currently It's Thursday. No, it's not. Oh my god, it's Thursday. I thought it was Wednesday. Okay, that just shows that I am just not keeping up with the days at all. I'm just going to blend that out a little bit more. So now I'm going to take the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette. Now, if you always watch my videos, I always use this palette because it's so good. I'm going to take the shade Intuition, which is the darkest brown, and I'm just going to pop that in the crease. So has anyone used the Mama Mitchell Beauty Bay palette? Because I want to try that so bad, but I haven't really heard many people doing videos on YouTube about it. I don't know whether it's because he's mainly on Instagram, but let me know. If I pat that shade on, I'm just going to blend it out. And then I'm going to take the shade Whole, which is a lighter but still dark. It's more of like a warmer shade. I'm just going to take that just above that shade. Take it right in the corner. So next I'm going to take Slow Burn, yeah. Just again, pop that slightly above. Okay, so now I'm just going to go and cut the crease like I did on this side, just with the 𝑃RODUCTS base. So I've mentioned in my other videos that I think that I have a mic now, and I noticed in my last video, I think, or the video before, my lights are making a weird noise. Is that something I should be concerned about. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, my mic was making funny noises, and I'm hoping it's not anymore. But now my light's making a funny noise. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the P. Louise Basic Brights in Bangin' Blue. Now this is going to act as a base for the blue shade. So I'm just following the line that we did, obviously. So I've had my softboxes lights for about 4 years now, and I think they're just about going, because one is making that noise. I don't know whether you can hear that, but I certainly can. So I'm going to take the shade Make Waves in the palette and just press that on top. So now what I'm going to do is take the normal P. Louise base again and just cut that crease again. So we're going to be doing a double cut crease. Okay, so I've just battered my eyelids with translucent powder. I use the 𝑅CMA no colour powder, and fingers crossed it won't do what this eye has done. I've actually seen a few drag queens do this, so hopefully it stays put. On this eye I did take some tape on the outer corner, but I don't like the way that looks. But first I need to put some more base on the lower lash line. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take the mid shade take the mid shade brown we took and put that in the inner corner, because we are doing a spotlight sort of eye, and taking that on the outer corner as well. Apparently we're going to take it underneath too. And then I'm going to take Slow Burn. I'm also going to take the lighter one underneath as well. Now I'm going to take the darkest brown and just slightly put this on the corner. Keep slouching. I'm also going to put it in the inner part. So I'm just going to lighten the middle bit. And I'm going to add a little bit of glitter glue by MIX. But first I'm going to do my waterline so I don't have to look up. I'm going to take the blue base again. I'm just popping this gently in the waterline. And then I'm going to put the eyeshadow on top of that as well. Okay, so now I'm going to put the glitter glue on. Oh, and I'm using the Peach and Cream pigment in Mermaids. So it's like a kind of like a clear pigment with speck of blue. Hopefully you can see that, but you can see it a lot better on the eye. Okay, I'm covered in blue. I'm going to go off camera, do my eyelashes and stuff like that, and then I'm going to come back and do the face. So, okay, and I am back. So I've popped on the Tatty Lashes in TL6, and that's all I've done. I'm going to put a little bit of lip balm on though. My lips are just always chapped. Yes. Okay, so you should all know by now I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer for hydration, and then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Illuminating Primer for illumination. I love illuminated base, and I'm just trying to get rid of this, to be honest. So let's apply. This does smell so good though. And I'm going to blend this out before it drips on my jumper. So for foundation, I'm going to go in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in DeVille. Might be a slightly bit too dark for me, but that's fine because I'd rather be darker today. I'm just going to apply this on my finger to start off with. And I'm going to blend that out with a brush. Oh my god, my legs. Oh, me and Connor went for a run / jog sprint because we did like 1k running to our local field, and then we did like a HIIT workout where we did like jog then run, jog then run. So we did a bit of exercise. And I can't tell you how long it's been since I've done exercise. Oh my god. My legs are in bits. So yeah, I haven't exercised in what feels like forever. Yeah, I was so into the gym and in a routine that when the gym closed, that was it. My motivation just went. But I'm trying. I did a little exercise before we went on a run as well, like a leg exercise, squats and stuff, and that probably hasn't helped. So then for concealer, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade 321 Eggshell. It's quite a pale shade, which I want to get another shade which is darker. I also want to get a like cream contour shade because I've seen a few people use this for cream contour, and I do love this concealer under the eyes and on the rest of the face, clearly. So I'm going to blend that out with a brush. So then I am going to take the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C12, and I'm going to try and attempt to use this as a cream contour. So I'm just going to pop it on the back of this palette thing here. I don't know whether it's going to be dark enough, but it might look different on there. That's alright now. Just going to blend that out with a brush. I literally can't go without cream contour anymore. Okay, so now I'm going to set the base with powder. I'm going to go in with the RCMA No Colour Powder. So I'm going to take the Hoola by Benefit, and I have no idea how I'm going to fit my brush in there. This brush is so good, but it sheds like a bitch. So then for blush, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Life's a Peach blush. This is just an all-round great blush. Because I'm going to set my face with a little bit of, well, not set my face, but it's looking a little bit dry. I don't know what's up with my skin today, but I'm going to just spritz a little bit of MAC Fix Plus on there. Just to hopefully merge everything together. I've been using the Colourpop Lippy Stick in the primer, and it's really helped smooth my lips. So I'm going to go in with the Revolution Soft Highlight Palette. I've been loving this lately, just because it's just such an overall great palette. It is very blinding, so I'm going to take the two first shades, this one and this one. I did pop it in the inner corner as well, but as you can see, such a blinding highlight for like, I believe it's like £10. So for lips, I'm going to first take the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in London. I'm going to try and use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. Last time I used this, it didn't work so well. But then after that, I'm going to take the Peach and Cream Lip Gloss in Sisterhood. Love this shade. My hair is wild. I washed it yesterday and I don't know what it's doing. Didn't really want to straighten it, but yeah. Okay, so this is the final look. I like this lip, but I don't know, today my face just doesn't want to cooperate at all. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would mean a lot to me. And yeah, let me know down below in the comments if you like this look. Definitely go check out Saskia's look. I will link her Instagram down below. I don't believe she has YouTube, but I'll double check. If she does, I will link it. I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.